Never judge someone. Life isn't about how much you have. It is about what you make out of what you have. Honesty is the best policy. And if you are an honest person, it will always come back to you. You cannot live your life going after someone else's dream. Don't take the time you have with your family for granted. You never know how long they will be around. Families stick together no matter what. Always prioritize the person that was there with you when you had nothing. When someone doesn't believe in you during your worst time, then don't let them celebrate with you during your best. Unless they are riding with you low, keep it moving when they show up during your high. Things are not always as they seem. You should not judge someone until you've walked in their shoes. Always be considerate with others because you never know what they are going through. If you cheat, you will never get ahead. Prioritize your goal. Remember what truly matters. What goes around comes around. You may be struggling now, but your struggle is your story, and your story is your superpower. Live your best life. Be a better you. God bless. Until next time, Shalom.